If you clicked on this video, you are in the right place. If you have like dark spots, pimples, like severe acne, you need to try this. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time seeing me on your screen, hi, my name is Benazet. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple home remedy that will help you get rid of your dark spots, your acne and acne scars. And if you have rashes on your body, this is going to help you. So let's dive into it. Okay guys, yeah, I know you already saw the process of how I did it. Now I want to show you how you can apply this bomb.com on your face. Okay, so this is the mixture I have with me. Or when you have this, or if you are making this and you like to make as much as you can and stuff, feel free, because this is powder and it can last for a long period of time. Just make sure you store it in a good airtight container. So this is the mixture with me, and I have my lemon with me. Please do not substitute this with anything. When I say lemon, use lemon. Okay, use lemon. And this is how it's looking like. To apply it, you cut the lemon as I did. You just press it like so. Oops, like so, to get the juice. When you feel the juiciness of the lemon, you dip it into the mixture. like so. Yes, can you see that? I need more. Yes, I have it on the lemon. I'm going to apply it on my face as if I'm exfoliating my face. So you apply it like so. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good, guys. So you apply it like so on your face. I'm going to dip into it again. While dipping into the mixture, try to squeeze the lemon to get as much juice as possible. You apply it all over your face, as you can see me do. Guys, make sure you do not add any water, or if you want to make it soft, just squeeze the juice out of the lemon. Do not buy lemon juice anywhere. Just use direct lemon, squeeze the juice into it, and you can use your makeup brush to apply it, but I prefer using the lemon because it's gonna make it penetrate into the skin better than squeezing the juice and using the brush. So use this. And there's one thing I would like to say: the best way to get that best result is using fermented lemon. I know some of you will be like, what do I mean by fermented lemon? Guys, this is how you do it. As you see the lemon like this, or if you have a fresh lemon with you, if you want to use it in 3 days time, you cut the lemon today, you put it into a plastic, and do not store it in the refrigerator. Just keep it like that. Within that 3 days, it's gonna ferment, and trust me, the feeling will not be the same. When you apply it on your face, you'll feel different. It's gonna sting a bit, and that's what we want. You are going to feel the lemon penetrating into your skin, and like so. Do you see what I'm talking about? If you have rashes on your skin, you can as well use this on your skin. This, if you have, like some people usually have rashes on their legs, this is the best. If you apply it on your legs, you do the same way as I'm doing. You massage it like this, as if you are exfoliating your face. It's going to, make the rashes disappear. So after application, you have to sit until it gets dry before you wash it off. I will not give you a time estimate depending on where you are, because sometimes the weather might be hot and it will take like 10 to 15 minutes to get dry. Sometimes if the weather is too cold, it might take like 20 to 25 minutes for it to really get dry. So it all depends on where you are, but make sure it gets dry before you wash it off. And after washing it off, you can just use your moisturizer to moisturize your face. So I'm going to stay until it gets dry before I wash it off. And another thing I would like to say is, I know some of you will be like, oh, I have a flawless, spotless face. What am I doing with this? Yes, I know. The fact that I have this doesn't mean if I have ideas, I shouldn't share it with my beauties. I know this is going to help some of you, especially those who are asking what I use on my face to get this spotless face. So if you have acne, dark spots, rashes on your body, please use this, and I know you are going to get a positive result. So you can use this. The best way to use this, especially for those who want that quick result, because I know sometimes when you use facial mask and you don't get any result in 2-3 days, you're like, oh, I've used it for 3 days and I'm not seeing any result. This doesn't work. Sis, this, if you start using this morning, in the morning and in the evening, trust me, within 10 days you will start seeing the result. And when you start seeing the result, do not stop. Continue using it until you get that flawless face that you want. Okay, so I'm going to wait until it gets dry before I wash it off. Okay, and I will see you guys when I'm done with it. Okay, yes, it is dry and ready to be washed off. So guys, this is me after washing my face, and I've not yet applied anything on my face. I don't have any moisturizer, I don't have any cream on my face, and this is how my face is looking like. So guys, after washing your face, make sure you use your moisturizer or face cream to apply it on your face, and you can do it once a day. Like I said, you can store this mixture for up to as long as you can. And for the lemon, the best way to use it is to cut it like 2 days before the day that you'll be using it. Just cut it and put it in a plastic, tie it and keep for at least 2 days for the lemon to ferment, and the result will be way better than when you use fresh lemon. I don't know why, but that is what I noticed. So you can try this as well, and if you don't want to use fermented lemon, you can just use the fresh lemon. So it's all up to you. But yeah guys, that will be all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. I hope this is going to help my beauties who are suffering from acne, dark spots, rashes. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching up to this time. I love you guys.